And we hear the Ifan. Hi, so who are you?
Hi there, my name is Rosalind Kelly and I work with product marketing for Fitbit.
And what are we looking at here?
Yeah, so we're looking at our newest device, which we've just announced. So this is Versa 2, the upgrade to our most loved smartwatch.
So what is this OS that it's running?
It's on Fitbit OS. It's also got built-in Alexa. It's got improved health and fitness features, including sleep, and an improved design. So you can see here it's got an AMOLED display with blacker blacks and brighter brights. It's also got a faster chipset for a seamless user experience. And we've also got a huge amount of new features focusing in on sleep, including sleep score, smart wake, and a night mode, sleep mode for the display.
And it has the sensors inside and stuff?
Exactly.
Can you turn around?
Yeah, sure.
So this is a heart rate?
Exactly.
The pins for charging?
Exactly, yes.
So how long is the battery life?
The battery life is 5+ days, which is really great. But if you use the always-on display mode, that reduces down to about 2 days. But you can adjust the brightness of the screen as well. So we're really happy with the battery life we've achieved.
Can you show some of the apps and some of the stuff that you have here?
Sure, yeah.
So Spotify?
Spotify Control, exactly.
Any other music?
You also still have Deezer, so you can save music on board. We've got weather apps, our Relax app, and we've got a ton of other apps that you can download in the gallery.
And how does it look, the app on the phone? So there's an app that works together with it?
Exactly, the Fitbit app.
And can we check it out?
Yeah, sure.
Hi, I'm Anna. I'm marketing manager for the DACH region, Germany, Austria, and Switzerland.
And so here you have, this is an iPhone?
That's an iPhone, yes, that's my app, all in German.
Yeah. So
So this is the dashboard. Those are the most important fitness statistics you have, your daily statistics. So here you can see sleep, for instance. You can see your sleep score. Here, this is from the last 2 nights, so it tells you the quality of your sleep. Here you can see different sleep stages you've been in. So it's the REM phase, or deep sleep, or light sleep.
so it's recommended to wear it while
During
sleeping?
the night, for sure, yes.
How do you choose all the apps and stuff like that? Is that through the app?
Well, yes, you can download them in the Fitbit app, and then you have them on your phone, on your smartwatch.
And there's really hundreds of apps? Could I do stuff like Google Music, Apple Music, all these different things?
So for music, we partner mostly with Spotify and Deezer, and you can also download your own music to be on the watch, on board. But we're always partnering with new partner apps for music as well.
And then you have like a specific, what do you call it? When you swipe in a certain way, you can control things. Like if, for example, I'm listening to a podcast, I can control it through the watch.
Yeah, so we're really excited with this launch that we've got Spotify Control on the wrist. So we can actually, you can be out running and you can change the song, you can stop the song, all on the wrist.
And you can also have it always on. So for example, your watch.
Exactly, which is really useful. So people were feeding back really that in a meeting or whatever, it was kind of tricky to do this action to bring the screen on. So now it's great that we're able to announce that you can actually have the time and date displaying all of the time. But together with this, we're also really happy to announce a great new feature, which is sleep mode in terms of the displays. So if you have sleep mode activated, it basically means that there's no risk during the night when you're asleep of the display coming on to disturb anybody. So we're really excited about that because we've got great new sleep features, including sleep score, which Anna just showed you as well on the app, which correlates data about the duration of your sleep stages, and also your heart rate to determine quality of your sleep during the night. So that, together with our sleep mode and our enhanced insights around sleep, are really deepening our expertise in this area.
Many years ago, I heard that there's science behind waking up at the right time. Do you have this thing where I can say, I want to wake up before 8:30?
Precisely.
Whenever it's the right time.
Yes, so we've just announced that. It's called Smart Wake. So basically how that works is, if you're about to go to bed and you know that you need to wake up at 8 o'clock, you can choose to activate Smart Wake, which means that if you enter into a light sleep stage anytime from 7:30 up till 8 o'clock, the watch will actually wake you during that light sleep stage. So the result of that is you wake up feeling a lot more refreshed, better able to tackle your day, and it's just giving your body the best start.
That's why you're so happy right now and so much energy, right?
Exactly. I've been using my SmartWake and I've woken up a lot smarter today.
You feel a difference for real?
Totally, yeah.
Really?
Yeah. You really don't feel as groggy when you wake up because basically...
The whole day is affected.
Totally. And I mean, we've got teams of scientists and researchers in the US who are specializing in this. But basically, your body has an optimum time to wake up. And what this is doing is it's making sure that you're waking up whenever it's going to suit best.
So what else are you showing here at the booth?
Sure. So we've got our full lineup of accessories. Firstly, I might point out to you our core SKUs. So we've got the black carbon, pedal copper rose, and stone and mist grey. These are our 3 core SKUs, retailing at $199.99. And here's our special edition SKUs, which are $229.99. They come with an additional band in the box. And here's our other range of accessories. This is our woven recycled reflective band. So that's made from recycled ocean plastic, and it looks really great on the wrist. It's got that reflective band, so if you're out running, it's really, really safe. These are our 5 sports silicone bands, as well. Great colours and really nice pops there.
Is it easy to switch the bands?
Really easy, yeah.
You just
demo.
Pop it over, just there, and boom, you can
Putting
have
me on the spot.
sorry. Yeah. So just you can get other changes style every day, but depending on the outfit, right?
Absolutely. So obviously, some of our bands might be nicer suited to outfits, or better suited to a sports type, or better suited to the office. And some of them can carry right the way through your day, but it's all about individual preference. So really, we've catered for everybody. And the other half of our accessories are just over here. So we've got the 2 perforated leather bands in moss and charcoal, our Reco band, which is an outdoor rescue band. So basically that is with inbuilt Reco technology to rescue people in case they get lost or buried in the case of an avalanche.
How does that work?
So basically...
Something is sending through the band?
Exactly.
Signal?
So it's a sensor that detects the band from afar. It's the Reco technology that they have built into their products. And so it's not a chip that's actually built into the band.
It's some material.
Exactly. It's a sensor that they can actually detect where the band is. And these, the final 2, are also our Kim Shui leather woven bands. So these are really gorgeous. Kim Shui is a very famous designer in the US.
Around here, you're just showing some randomly changing different UI things that happen in the...
So these are great units to give you an example or an impression of what it's like to actually use the product. These are set up as demo looped videos, so you don't have to press anything. As you can see there, it's running through how a user could use this. So this is the Today dashboard, which gives you more insight into your stats as your day is going along. You can see everything on the wrist. Here's some of our apps. You were asking about apps, of course. There's our Spotify. So it enables you to play and control music on the wrist. And there's a text coming in from Nick. So now we've got voice replies to text for Android users. So what's happening now is the user has just pressed the side button and they're speaking, as you can see from these moving dots. So they're answering Nick's text directly in the way that they want. They customize their reply by voice as they're on the go. So they don't need to just pick a custom text reply. And our exercise modes, we've also expanded out in terms of what's on offer here. As you can see, this is counting.
And there's nice colors and all the different UIs.
Beautiful, yeah. And there's our always on display mode as well. So you're noticing the color because basically we've got a lovely bright screen with this AMOLED screen. The screen size is also larger. We've also removed the logo from the bottom of the screen, and we've created an edge-to-edge effect on the screen. So it's really giving the user an excellent display. Very exciting to see the colors pop up. Really easy to use, really visual.
And Amazon Alexa.
Amazon Alexa built in, exactly. So we've voice assistant. We've got a microphone built in to the actual
It's
Versa
always
2.
ready. You just say something.
Well, the thing is, it's not always listening, so it is always ready, but all you need to do is press in the side button once to activate it, and then speak. So you don't need to say, Alexa, can you add bananas to my shopping list? You just push the side button and then you can either give it a command, you can control home devices, so you can say switch on the lights in the living room, start my morning routine, for example. So then Alexa would communicate with your connected home devices to potentially turn on the lights, start your coffee machine, play some music, and get you ready for the day. So I think a big part of the Versa 2 is that it's bringing everyday conveniences and really improving how you carry out your day. So right from the moment where you've used Smart Wake to wake up feeling more refreshed, to how you can conveniently control your devices in your home, add things to your shopping list, create to-do lists, obviously do your workouts, it's waterproof to 50 meters. You can also dress it up with our beautiful accessories that we've just brought you through. So it's really a fabulous product at a great price, and it's we're really happy to be announcing it.
So how long has this Fitbit OS been around? Are there developers developing apps for this OS and more things happening there?
Exactly, yeah. So our team of engineers are working in the US constantly on our Fitbit OS, and we're consistently adding more apps to our library. As you can see now, Spotify has just
But third-party companies can do too.
Exactly.
Third parties
yes.
can adapt their apps for this embedded OS that you're doing.
Exactly, yeah. And we've got an open software developer kit, so it's a great operating system and we're really proud of it.